how it is looking fluffy, you know. To make a pancake, these are all the recipe you will need. You will need 2 cups of plain flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 large eggs. You will need a vegetable oil for greasing, 1 cup of milk, and a 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to be cracking my egg. You have to make sure you whisk your egg very well before adding the rest ingredient. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is my milk. The next, my sugar, baking powder, and my salt. So the next is my vanilla flavor. And the last thing here is my plain flour. So you just add it little by little. Don't add it too much. When you are mixing your pancake, you find out that it's kind of having a lump. So all you need to do, just keep mixing. So those lumps are going to leave as soon as you start mixing the whole ingredients. So you can see the lumps are no more there. So this is the consistency you're going to have as a pancake batter. You can see it's looking very fluffy. The batter is not too thick. So I'm going to set this aside to grease my pan. So this is the pan I'm going to be using for the pancake. I'm going to be adding the vegetable oil just to grease the pan. So I finished greasing my pan. So this is the time for me to start adding the pancake batter for baking. So I preheated the oven and I'm going to be transferring it right to the oven. I'm going to be leaving it for 15-20 minutes for it to bake. So I'm going to be seeing you guys soon. Guys, you can see how the pancake is looking. It's looking so amazing. At this time, I'm going to be cutting it out to show you guys how it is on the inside. I just love the vanilla flavor aroma. So you can see how it is looking fluffy, you know, inviting. You can see the steam. Wow, at this moment I'm going to be having a taste from it. Wow, this is really yummy. Really tasty, nice. Wow, yummy. Please start, guys. I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye, and God bless you.